Hello there. Here I am making Easter bunnies for dessert for my little chickens. Okay, so here is the puff pastry. Now, I didn't make it. However, I could, but why when you don't have to, okay? So it's an opening in here. See the little ears? Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some Nutella and whoops, and I'm going to spread it in here, right? Yumma. What, Andy? Okay, so I'm spreading in here. What?
I didn't say anything.
I'm showing how to make it.
And I'm making dinner.
Yeah, okay. So we're spreading it in here. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make pudding, vanilla pudding with bananas. I know, simplicity, but number one is for kids. Number two, who doesn't like vanilla pudding with bananas? And Nutella? Hello. Okay, so then I'm gonna mix all that up and I'm gonna scoop it inside of this, okay? All right, then I have these marshmallows. Look at these marshmallows right there. Okay, so these marshmallows are called Puff Some More marshmallows. And the reason that these are different is because they're larger and they are square. Very clever, right? But a square won't fit into a round hole. So what I did was I cut them with a serrated knife, makes it much easier. And I cut them into circles. Are you following me here? See how it's gonna go on top? Okay, then I'm going to put some eyes and some whiskers using this glitter stuff. You know, these look like rat poop, but it's the whiskers. It's just black sprinkles. And then I'm going to top it. See, this one I almost started. Whoops, see, there's kind of stick it to the paper. See, after I put the pudding in and put the whiskers on, then I'm going to top it. I'll just do a little and shove it in there, and oh my gosh, adorbs. Okay, so I'm just letting you know what I'm doing, and now what I'm going to do is do it, and then I'll take some photos and the recipe, okay? Because Andy says, right, Andy, you're gonna make it at festivities?
No, you said that.
It's for the pastry chef. I'm doing this for the pastry chef and my little chickens, so they know that I can cook. Okay, all right, just wait till you see. I'm so excited, Johnny. Aren't you excited? Look at it so far.
Mm-hmm.
You right? Okay, and turn me off, honey. Just press the button. So now I have the chocolate inside the little cup. See? Now I'm going to make the pudding with the bananas. Oh, delicious. Goodbye. Okay, so I'm having a little difficulty putting the sprinkles on the marshmallows. Now I could put it on the side that I cut, but they're not as pretty. Andy said to do it on that side, but I like this smooth part of the face. So, now mind you, I did wash my hands, I swear, and alcohol and everything. So I took some marshmallow in my hand, and my fingers, I mean, and now I'm going to, remember doing this as a kid? How we just like, make it, the marshmallow all gooey and deliciousness, right? So I'm going to do this and use it like glue. Very clever, I think. Well, they didn't turn out exactly the way I anticipated. I mean, all right, here's the pastry. Remember, I put the chocolate in first, then I made the pudding and I blended some banana in it. Then I scooped the pudding in there, and then these, Andy told me to saute some bananas with butter, and I put that on top. But these turned out like little kid things. So I'm gonna give the kids these. Maybe put something, maybe a plain marshmallow on top of this just to decorate it. But I mean, they're cute, but way too labor intensive for me. I mean, these took forever because my fingers would get all sticky, but they are cute.